All right, guys, so long-awaited moment.
Yes.
I know Dover is super. I'm excited. Like, I know you guys have been waiting to see the truck. The truck is right behind that door. We're about to go and see. So we've been kind of keeping custom stereo, like
Some interior stuff too.
some like wiring. Like,
yes, lots going on.
it's basically wired. But anyway, we're gonna shut the heck up. We're gonna get in here and check it out. We are at JC Audio here, Jackson, Tennessee. If you're anywhere in the area, you need some stereo work for regardless of what. What's up? They are the people. What's up, dude?
Master.
Good to see you.
How's it going?
So I've heard you've done a little bit of work on the F100.
A couple hours.
All right, so we'll just.
Man, I kind of don't want to show it to you.
We're
So
excited.
first thing, the door panel. So we took the lower door panel. It had this old speaker in it, just screwed into it. It came that way, I guess.
Yeah, somebody just cut a hole in it.
Yeah,
Basically.
they just kind of had it crammed in there and the wire hanging through. So we wanted to redo the door panel, but not do the whole thing and keep it factory looking.
Gotcha.
So what I did was we went to work on our laser over here. With the
Oh,
acrylic.
sweet.
And,
Very nice.
That's the program. I'll show you later. That's all the cuts and pieces for the door panel.
Sure.
And keep everything looking factory and keep it looking like it may have come on the truck. even
Kind
though no
of
speaker
flows
came.
with it.
Yeah.
So I guess the secret's out. We've done a whole stereo in the truck.
Whole stereo system. Of course, we wired the whole truck. Jake did all the wiring.
Yeah.
And put a whole harness throughout the truck. And we did 2 6.5s, 110, all Audison.
Very
equipment,
nice.
An amplifier by Audison 4-channel and a Kenwood radio. So you ready for this?
Ready. Let's see it. Woo! Holy crap! It just
So this is suede. This
Suede?
matches the headliner that
Yeah,
you bought.
yeah.
So we pulled it out and it was black suede. So
Yeah.
we wanted to
Wow.
incorporate that. So that insert suede. This is aluminum that we polished out of an old piece and made to match. Put the screws in to match. The
yeah.
factory
It all
door panel.
it all ties into that.
Yep.
So everything just kind of flows.
Yeah. Black vinyl to match the black vinyl seat. Let me flip around here now.
Yeah.
So we built the custom grill on the laser. That's also acrylic. It's just black acrylic. And instead of having screws in the grill, we wanted it to be kind of seamless.
Yeah.
So
Oh, look at
Holy crap!
So it's magnets. So these are embedded into a
Wow.
3-stack of acrylic on the back.
So-
That's too high tech for me, man.
Yeah, that keeps everything nice and flush,
Yeah.
though, and
And then you pop it back in here.
I love
holy
mag- and I love
crap! That
magnets.
yeah.
Yeah, I love
Well, it's
magnets.
easy to service too if you need to change
Yeah.
anything.
And it keeps the speaker up close on the surface, which makes it sound.
Yeah, don't stick out very far either. Yeah.
But you didn't stop there, though.
We did not stop this. Let me get my fingerprints off of this one.
Man,
We did
that-
a custom badge on
that-
it. So,
That's amazing.
Yeah, we got to represent. JC.
That's right.
Definitely,
That's right.
definitely. All right.
so we got a Kenwood head unit with Bluetooth. Just something simple that fit the factory spot up there.
Yeah, I was trying to keep it simple.
He just rolling with it.
I kind of wanted to do like a 10-inch screen up there, but Jeremy wouldn't let me. So in the back, we want to keep the style flowing. So on the side of the hood, you've got your the factory emblem.
Yeah.
And so we incorporated that into this enclosure.
What?
So we've got the same shape raised up in the carpet
Look,
here.
it even says Ford F100.
And then we did a
Oh my God! I didn't see the other side.
yeah, we did forward and 100. Did some custom 2-stack
Filled in
acrylic,
where the gas tank was.
the cab corners.
That's amazing.
So these are
Dude.
acrylic. That's 2 pieces of acrylic,
That is-
one black
What
and
about
one
the amps and
silver.
stuff?
The amplifier is behind this side of the box.
Oh,
So
okay.
the box is a vented enclosure, so it's got a vent in this side that you can't see.
So you
We keep
can't even see
everything
the
hidden.
port.
That's right. And then on the other side, there's a
Wow.
void about 8 inches, and the amplifier is concealed back there. All the wiring goes through the top of the cab, so there's nothing under the carpet.
There's literally nothing. Like, you
don't
can't
see
see anything. Wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah. All right, guys. So you know we got the Dakota Digital cluster in here, and he's got the new radio installed. We've never actually seen it light up.
Ready for this?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
That is freaking sweet. Wow.
And it's totally factory looking.
Yeah, there you go. Turn the lights on. Yeah, that's
it looks
that's what
stock.
it does.
That's actually the way stock would look. So of course, you know, it ain't got the fuel
It is
open thing. Yeah.
freaking amazing. And they've got everything. All the stuff works now.
Yep.
And then of course this
Turn
is
this radio
the
on now.
that's the radio on. Does the stereo actually play? Can we boom boom
Yeah,
or
man.
something?
Let me fire it up here. Let's
What
see.
you doing, man? What do you mean fire it up?
We still got a little. We got
Hey,
a
you
little.
turn the radio on, not make a phone call.
Yeah, we're gonna.
I'm connecting.
Look at this
All right,
guy.
let's see what we got here. What do y'all want to hear?
I don't care.
Something with some bass.
How about some, yeah, I got you. Speed Demon.
Oh my God.
All right, guys. So there is the update. As you know, pretty well done under here. We'll be getting it back. Jeff, how long before we can get it back and do drifting?
We've got one little part coming for the AC.
Oh, okay.
And that's coming in Monday, so next week.
Sweet. You're gonna come out for the drifting in the F100?
We're going to drift it in the back park.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not
Wait a
running
minute,
yet.
we don't have a driver yet.
And you don't have a throttle bodies at the shop.
Oh yeah, that's right.
But yeah, very, very shortly, not only drifting, but doing some serious booming. That freaking, the sound quality is freaking amazing. Like, the fact that you can get that much sound in that tiny cab is crazy.
From your side, it's going to sound like everything's coming from
Right here.
right up here. 'Cause we've
Dude, you're
measured
too
it.
fancy now. Like,
Yeah, high tech, man.
All right, so
pretty freaking sweet.
I thought I was gonna have some Cracos behind the seat or something. You know, look here.
What was that stuff you
that
used to,
level, huh?
Sparkomatics? Yeah.
Chromatics.
Yeah, not anymore.
so check out the vocals here. Listen.
Now we're gonna get demonetized. Alright. So this thing is freaking crazy.
So this is the program for the door panels.
Okay. So there's the grills.
Yeah, shows all the different layers of it. So
Dude, that's
how
crazy.
each little piece is made. These are the inserts for the magnets on the back of the door panel, and the strip with the little holes for the magnets. Each layer that's stacked up to make the door panel to build the depth.
Yeah, you had to build it out, yeah.
And yeah, there's that, and then I'll show you real quick.
Hey,
This is
the days of cutting it out with
Oh yeah, that's over. There's the say that, yes, and then this is
okay.
that's the enclosure
That's the box.
layout. So that's it down where we mocked it. So all this gets cut on this 100-watt laser.
So what all will this cut?
It'll cut cardboard, wood, acrylic, different kinds of plastics.
Wow.
These are the pieces. This stuff is what the
Cut any metal?
Okay.
it won't cut metal.
Oh, we got metal out? Okay.
So this is what the F100 or the 100 and the Ford were
It
made
looks
out
like
of.
metal out.
Wow.
And that's laid on top of another piece of black acrylic. But cardboard, like we mock up stuff, that was for a Jeep.
Jeep grill, yeah.
Out of cardboard first, and then
And then you can test fit it, and
Yeah.
you're not burning product.
that's right. So you just lay it in there, get it set where you want it, and hit go. Plastic and wood.
We're getting the grand tour. Man, I didn't even know you guys had
You
this.
don't do nothing in here. Look how clean it is. I cleaned it yesterday.
Not OCD at all, right?
No, not at all.
Oh man, this is cool. This is cool. Do you got a discount code for the viewers? Nah. Wow. So you got all the rings to make the.
Yeah. Any kind of shapes we want, we can combine those and then lay them in the routers in the table.
I've never seen these. Are these just for getting angle or
Yep.
or arcs and?
Yeah, different. So some of them are arcs, some of them are parts of circles. It's just a different shape.
Wow.
And different corners and curves and stuff if we want to put a radius on something. So
How
anything,
freaking cool would it be to use?
and then these are all speakers that we've made. Like we take a factory speaker like that,
Yeah.
and make a copy of it for an adapter to fit an aftermarket.
So you can, next time a Jeep comes in, because you're obviously going to do a lot of Jeeps.
And then all these are in alphabetical order by brand, so we can come back real quick and find
Wow.
out. a GM 4x6 to 6.5 or
Huh. Amazing. Got all the routers here.
You got dust collection on everything under the table. All these are in dust boxes. So you just have to kick that open to turn it on. And we got floor sweeps that suck into a
Huh. He's got floor sweeps. Floor sweeps. They're fancy. They're way too fancy for us. All right, so we gotta see all of the wiring. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this here.
Got my fuse box.
But yeah, everything mounted just like factory. All the
Are you gonna put a horn in it?
all the vintage air is in and wired.
So he's got all your wiring. He's like studied.
Freaking amazing work. Jeff, who did all the wiring on the truck?
Jake did.
Jake?
Jake, man.
The unsung hero of the F100. Good job. That wiring looks factory. Great job. You guys killed it.
Thanks, bro.
Great job.
Appreciate it.
Amazing work. And look at this guy. He's like, he wants to take it now. That's the thumbnail picture right there. That is pretty much going to wrap this one up. So stay tuned. We'll get the probably get the F100 back to the shop next weekend and finish up all the little stuff. We should have first fire and first drive very soon. Shout out to the guys at JC Audio for all the great work, and catch you on the next one.